Tell me about your weekend.
Man's Inner Journey was really epic for me. I've done a lot of inner work, but the genius behind this program enables men to come together and discover what it means to be in your heart rather than in your head, which is not something that men often experience. And it's a beautiful, supportive, loving environment that encourages authenticity. And it was a game changer for me. I'm so grateful I chose to be here.
And how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling heart wide open and ready to embrace my life, my family, my future, my business, and with confidence and courage. And what's neat was I already had confidence prior, but it's a whole deeper level of knowing my inner masculine from a deep level. It's been so amazing. I feel so great. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you.
Yeah.